Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about matrix multiplication or arrays multiplication. So how it will multiply two arrays or two matrix, let's understand first. So here I given one example that how multiplication occurs. So let's understand first. So for multiplication, like there are two rows and three columns and three rows and two columns. So there should be a number of columns should be equal to number of rows of second array or matrix. Then only matrix multiplication is possible, or we can multiply two square matrix for that. Or if we don't have any square matrix, in this case number of columns of first matrix equal to number of rows in second matrix. That is the criteria to do matrix multiplication. So how matrix multiplication is done? Like first of all, first rows of first matrix multiply with second rows of first column of second matrix. So how it will occur? Multiply of 1 into 10 plus 2 into 20 plus 3 into 30. This will give first element of generated new matrix multiplication. In this way, this row is multiplied to second column, this row multiplied to first column, this row multiplied to second column. In this way, there are total four elements will be available in final result, and matrix will be size of 2 cross 2. Why is 2 cross 2? Because there are two rows in first matrix and two columns in second matrix. So resultant will be always number of rows available in first matrix and number of columns available in second matrix. So resultant matrix will be of 2 cross 2. This is how matrix multiplication is done. So let's understand by using of some example. First of all, matrix multiplication we can do by star asterisk sign, or we can also use np dot function. So first of all, let's understand np dot function by using of help. So here you can see dot a comma b comma out equals to none. A and B represent the two matrix. We can directly multiply A B by using of np dot function. A is the like what parameters, like first argument array, B is the second argument array. Now out is the optional. We don't need to give any values to out. And what will be output? Output will be the dot product of A and B. So let's understand by example. D equal to np dot array 4 comma 5 7 comma 8. Data type, okay, I have done mistake, like I have to put one square bracket now. Okay, it's a 2D array. We can also check the shape of this matrix. 2 cross 2. Let's create another matrix np dot array 5 comma 6 comma 0 comma 6. Okay, I have done mistake. 5606. Now check the shape. It is also 2 cross 2. So now multiply of both D asterisk E. Okay, it will give multiplication of 2. Like how it will multiply? First of all, 4 5 is multiplied by 5 0 to 4 into 5 20, 5 into 0 0. So 0 plus 20 20. Second case, 4 plus 5 multiplied with 6 6. So 4 into 6. First, this is first row and second column. Then 4 into 0 0, 5 into 0 0. So this is the case of 0. This is how it works. We can also do by d dot e. Okay, it's like d asterisk e. It will do dot product, means it will do element wise multiplication. Sorry, 5 into 5, like yeah, 4, yeah, 4 into, yeah, 4 into 5, 20, 30, 0 and 48. It will give the element wise, so I have to mention that element wise product. Okay, this will give real dot product. Okay, let's understand this e. 4, like first row is multiply with 5 comma 0, the 4 into 5, 25 plus 0 0, so it will give 20. Next case, 4 is multiply with 6 means 24, 5 multiplied by 6, 24 plus 30 means 54. In this way it will work. If you want to do element wise, we can directly use asterisk, and if you don't want to do element wise, we can directly use d dot e. If I mention e dot d, so it will take first matrix as e and second matrix is d. This is how matrix multiplication is done by using of numpy array. That's all for today. Stay safe and keep learning. Thank you very much.